Hey, what's up guys? Doug Drummond from Blue Line Baggers, and I'm back today with a product review from a company called Dunphy's Cycle Machining. Now these guys make custom parts. I got these tank emblems, which I'm going to show you guys a little install review on these, but they make all kinds of stuff. Derby covers, shift linkages, stuff for your gas tank, the bibs, all kinds of custom parts for your Harley Davidson. Check them out over at Dunphy Cycles Machining on Facebook, Instagram, all the socials. Check them out. I'll put links down below. While you guys are here, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Please, it really helps me out. Turn on the little bell notification so you get a notification when I upload a new video. But we really appreciate it here at Blue Line Baggers, and it helps me to bring you more content. So now on to it. So these tank emblems, they were about $90 a piece. It was $180 for the set, and that's shipped. Do I think it's worth it? Absolutely. This is totally custom. The detail work on it's amazing. CNC machined. I got these cross cut with the little bit of chrome and black. So I just, I wanted to pop, and I think that really works well. These tank emblems that came on my 21 Road Glide Special were pretty cool already, but I really like this kind of CVO look with the shark behind it for the Road Glide. They call it the shark. So for me, this was a no-brainer. Really great custom look. Now, onto the install. So to take these off, what I used for me was a hairdryer. I don't have a heat gun, so I put the hairdryer on that at full hot settings for probably about 15-20 minutes. Got that nice and hot. Then I took a little bit of fishing line my kids had laying around, and I just used it in a sawing motion as I went back and forth across this thing until it got completely to the other side, basically cutting that 3M material off, and you could basically pull the emblem off by hand. And it leaves behind quite a sticky mess. I used my fingers to pull some of that off. I was going to try to rub it all off, but it really tears your hands up. So I just got some good old-fashioned automotive Goo Gone. I laid down some towels to protect my bike and my engine, and I just kind of let that soak. It took me about 3 applications to let that really soak in and get all the tape and goo off of there. And I just used a plastic like credit card or a spudger to kind of get the rest of it off of there. Once that was all off, I just got myself a nice little alcohol wipe, and I wanted to wipe the tank down, make sure it was nice and clean. So then you line up the new tank emblem. I used a little bit of painter's tape to kind of mark where the top and the sides were so I could kind of fit in that area and know that I'm level and equal. And then on the back of your piece that you get from Dunphy's, it's 3M. So I just took my fingernail, I scratched it up real good just to activate that 3M tape. It gets very, very sticky. It is very sticky. I get it lined up, and you just press down just like that, nice and firm. I want to press the entire emblem down, make sure it sticks. And it was actually a little harder than I thought. To do this, it probably took about an hour for each side, but totally worth it. Once I did the first side, it kind of went a little bit easier. But to me, to have a custom look, Dunphy's knocked it out of the park with these badges, and if this is any indication how their other products look, I can't wait to buy more. Shift linkage will be coming next. But if you guys want to check them out on all the socials, Dunphy's Cycle Machining on Facebook, on Insta, they're everywhere. So check them out, guys. If you see something you like, give them a shout out. Let them know that you came here because of me, and maybe they'll hook you up. So check them out. Pick up these for yourself. Pick up anything else they got over there. I highly recommend them, and I think it's a worthy upgrade for your bike. So I'm Doug Drummond from Blue Line Baggers. Again, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell notification. Like this video. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.